Police and fire emergency.
Yeah, it's somebody at my door, and he won't leave, and he got a gun in his hand.
He got a gun in his hand. Okay, what's your address?
Loveridge Road.
20 Loveridge Road?
Loveridge Road.
I apologize. Okay, is that a house or an apartment?
The apartment. He's banging on my door.
Okay, what apartment number?
Tripping.
Okay, let me get somebody started that way, okay, before I get into some more questions here. Do you know who this person is?
Yeah, he's my child's father, and he won't leave.
Okay.
911, what is the address of your emergency?
Hi. I'm sorry. I'm at home, and there's somebody trying to kick in the door. I live in an apartment complex.
Okay, what's your address?
What's up, man? How you doing? What's your name? Huh?
Yeah, same description. What's your name, man?
Can you not reach for anything, please?
Just keep your backpack on. Do me a favor.
Wait there.
Come down this.
No, stop. Hey, just stop. Stop. He's not being compliant. Start medical help. W24, shots fired.
Drop the gun!
Hey, watch out, guys. Hey.
Drop the gun! I got double feet.
Hey, back up.
Hey, he's still got the gun pointed at us.
Back up.
He's still got the gun pointed at us.
All right, back up.
He's still got the gun pointed at us.
Hey. Stand by.
I copy, shots fired.
No, stop. Hey, just stop. Stop. I got it.
On the fucking ground right now. Hey! Drop the gun!
Hey,
Drop the gun!
I got a double feet.
Hey, double feet. Hey, he's still got the gun pointed at us. He's still got the gun pointed at us.
Hey. Stand by.
I copy, shots fired.
Get on the fucking ground right now. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! I got a double feet. Hey, double feet. Hey, he's still got the gun pointed at us. Double feet. He's still got the gun pointed at us.
Hey. Stand by.
I copy, shots fired.
Nothing, but I'd feel comfortable with a 40 first.
Copy. 40?
I'd feel comfortable with a 40 first.
Yep. Affirm.
He's got a gun in his hand. Stimulate him with a 40.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on. You're right over his shoulder now. No, hey, hold on. You're right in his ear. No, it's not.
Off my ear.
We got a 40, but we need to create some space for Norman here.
Just have Elmore tap out, bring the 40 up here. Take the shield. Hold on. Let me give one more command. Patrick, you need to drop the gun, man, so we can come help. Please drop the gun so we can give you help. You're not giving us much options, man. We want to end this peacefully.
Firing.
Hold on. 40 out. Come up. Get over the shield. There we go. 40 out, guys. 40 out. 40 out.
Already firing.
40.
Yeah.
No movement?
Nope.
No reaction.
Come up.
Up.
All right.
Moving forward on me.
Stand by. We need to dictate. Cardona, you're going to pin that upper torso with the shield. You're going to move in, and I'll go hands. See if we can get it, all right? You got rifle? Yep. Hold on. Stand by. Stop. I don't want to ND. I don't want an ND. Hold up.
I can move the arm a little bit.
No one move.
Good. Got it. Good.
Hold on, I got it. Let go.
Retrieve.
I got left hand.
Okay, left.
I got left hand. We need someone to get right. Ready? You're all in.